Various factors influence the selection of a waterproofing system, such as the characteristics and condition of the substrate, the construction site, moisture and environmental conditions. Koster NB4000 is a pasty, liquid-applied, seamless waterproofing with excellent crack bridging capabilities. It can be applied at low temperatures and in high humidity and still provide consistently fast curing properties. Koster NB4000 can be overworked within 2 hours and backfilled after 16 hours. Substrate preparation is of vital importance for the quality and durability of any application. The substrate must be clean, free of oil and grease and loose particles. Strongly salt-contaminated and highly absorbent substrates must be treated with Koster Polyseal TG500. Exterior corners must be broken and rounded. Pipe penetrations must also be prepared. They are cleaned and roughened with 80 grit sandpaper. Fillets are installed in all interior corners. Here, Koster Repair Mortar Plus is being mixed with Koster SB bonding emulsion to create the coving mortar. Use proper tools to assure a uniform 5 cm leg length of the fillet. Fillets distribute movement forces over a larger area and prevent cracking in the joints of adjoining building elements. Each 25 kg combi package of Koster NB4000 is delivered with 2 powder and 2 liquid portions, easing partial mixing. The material can be mixed directly in the delivery bucket. Fill the liquid component into the mixing bucket. Add the powder component to the liquid component in portions while continually mixing with a slowly rotating electrical mixer. Mix both components intensively until a homogeneous, paste-like, lump-free consistency is reached. The minimum mixing time is 3 minutes. Koster NB4000 is applied with suitable hand tools such as a layer thickness trowel or a toothed trowel. Consumption depends on the water loading conditions, and examples can be found on the technical data sheet. On uneven surfaces and on old bituminous substrates, a scratch coat should be applied. This is installed by pulling the material with a flat trowel across the surface. This scratch coat does not count as a waterproofing layer. The first layer is applied in the required thickness. Areas prone to or in danger of cracking must have Koster glass fiber mesh embedded into the fresh first layer. The Koster glass fiber mesh is embedded along its midpoint and smoothed out towards the sides to avoid creasing. The pattern of the Koster glass fiber mesh should be visible, but not the mesh itself. This ensures that the mesh is centrally embedded in the final waterproofing. The area waterproofing of the wall must be overlapped at least 10 centimeters onto the front of the floor slab or the foundation. Ensure that the vertical external waterproofing is connected to the existing horizontal waterproofing in all areas. Small fillets, such as around pipe and cable penetrations, can be installed with a mixture of Koster NB4000 mixed with kiln-dried quartz sand in a ratio of 2:1. Once the first layer is sufficiently cured that it won't be damaged by the installation of the second layer can be installed. This is done in the same manner as the first layer. Alternative to hand application, Koster NB4000 can be spray applied. For this, the material is mixed with Koster NB4000 spray additive. By adding the Koster NB4000 spray additive, the working properties with spray equipment and the cleaning of the hoses and the pump itself are significantly improved. The Koster NB4000 spray additive also reduces skin formation in high summer temperatures, and the processing time is extended. Spray application greatly increases the speed and productivity of the application. The waterproofing layer must be protected from mechanical damage before backfilling. This can be achieved with Koster SD protection and drainage sheet or with XPS insulation boards. The insulation boards can also be adhered with Koster NB4000. After 16 hours, the backfilling can be carried out. Koster Nb 4000 combines the properties of a polymer-modified bitumen thick film sealant and a flexible mineral waterproofing slurry. It is bitumen-free, viscoplastic, and crack bridging. It can be applied to all stable, customary construction substrates. It can be used without primer on moist substrates as well as over old bitumen. It can be painted and plastered over, is radon, UV, sulfate, and frost resistant. Koster Nb 4000, the perfect choice for your next waterproofing project.